If you have been searching for a way to make money online, I want to simplify the whole process for you because I know you spend a lot of time here on social media scrolling and you just don't know where to start. You don't know who to believe. You don't know if this is real. I want to let you know making money online is legit. Last year, I made $50,000. It was life-changing for me because it allowed me to pay off debt, go on vacations, and live a stress-free life. My plan this year is to help people learn exactly how to do that. And I'm going to tell you step by step on what you need to do to get started. I want to put a little disclaimer, okay? Everybody's journey is different. Everybody earns differently, everybody learns differently, okay? So again, that journey is different. But I also want to let you know if you absorb the information and realize that this is not a race, it's a marathon, and you can literally learn a high income skill and make money online and allow yourself to change your life, you can literally do this. Now, my name is Dee. If you do not know me, again, I'm just a vehicle that's pulled up in front of you, and I want to show you and I want to teach you step by step, okay? So the first thing you need to do is you need to start. And how are you going to start if you don't know how? When it comes down to affiliate marketing or digital marketing, it comes down to is you're marketing something you love and that you're passionate about. And if you don't know what you're passionate about, guys, you can literally market a course just like I do. So here's how it goes. You have to start by choosing what do you want to market? What is that product? Do you want to be an affiliate for a product? Do you want to do digital marketing to where you can earn 100% of that money? Do you want to create something of your own? You have to decide what is that product, okay? I'm going to give you 3 areas that you can choose from: health, wealth, and relationships. The reason why I list those is because they're the most lucrative. That is where you're going to find areas where you can create products or be an affiliate marketer for products in those areas where you're going to make the most money. Okay, now when you choose one of those areas, let's say it's health and fitness, right? You can then choose a sub niche, and maybe it's cooking, maybe it's teaching people how to eat healthy, maybe it's teaching people how to meal prep, whatever that is, okay? When you choose something like that, you also have to decide, do you want to choose high ticket or do you want to choose a low ticket product? So again, let's reference health and fitness. If you chose protein powder, if you're like, I want to market protein powder, well, that's going to be a low ticket item. So think about it. If the protein powder is $20 and you're only earning 5% commission, you're going to have a high volume of sales when it comes to that protein powder, right? But if you choose a high ticket product and you focus on 1 or 2 sales a month, your income is going to change a lot quicker. Okay, so those high ticket products are going to be either creating your own coaching program, your own training, your own course, or you can purchase something that's already created for you, like I did, which is Lipo Max. It's already created for me. The course is already done because I didn't have the time, the energy, or the mindset to even create a course. So I wanted something that was done that I could brand and make 100% of the profit. Okay, so that is my product. The next thing I need to do is getting educated, right? You have to know the skill. Again, that first product that I chose because it was a course and because I could resell it, because it had the license behind it that allowed me to resell it over and over if I chose to, then I was earning high income and I had a product and I had education. The next step, if you're wanting to do a quick start, if you're like, I want to make money right now, I don't have time or the energy to create these sales funnels and these email campaigns, and I don't even understand that language, you can literally go to my profile right now, go all the way down to the bottom. I have a 14-day free trial for the Stand Store, and you can literally put your products in there and have your business up and running in a few days. Okay, that is quick start. You do have to make an investment. There is a monthly fee for the Stand Store, depending on if you use the Creator, which is $27 a month, or if you do the Creator Pro, which is $99 a month. But again, that's mindset, guys. Mindset. When you run a business, you may have to invest. You may have an overhead. Okay. The next thing, if you choose to take the longer route and you're like, you know what, I want a solid business, you're going to create a sales funnel. You're going to create an email campaign, and you're like, oh my God, I don't know what that means. That course is going to teach you step by step. There's video modules inside of it that tells you click here, do this, do that, clone this, copy this, whatever it is, it shows you step by step by step. Okay. So again, I'm going to reiterate, you need a product, right? Whether it's going to be high ticket, low ticket, whether you're creating it or you're grabbing somebody else's and you're going to rebrand it and sell it as your own and earn 100% of the profit. Number 2, the next thing you do, you need education, guys. Don't spend a lot of time searching on Google and YouTube. Again, guys, you're going to be stuck in the learning phase. Just grab a course, invest in yourself, have the right mindset that you need education. It's kind of like going to college, okay? If you want to be a nurse or a dentist or a doctor, you need education. You've got to go to college. You need to purchase a course to understand what you are doing. Again, quick start, Stan Store. I got that. I can hook you up with a 14-day free trial, or you can go through the course and you can learn how to build a sales funnel and an email campaign. I think it's fun. I love it. If you need assistance with that, I can help you with that too, because I learned that skill. So that is one of my services that I offer. Again, you're gonna have to choose a social media platform. Is that gonna be TikTok, IG? Is it gonna be Facebook? Whatever you choose, you wanna make sure you're comfortable. You wanna start creating content. You wanna share value, entertainment. You wanna share how-tos. You want to solve somebody's problem in those videos. And guys, they can be 15-second videos, 30-second videos, and I do highly recommend creating longer videos too, because TikTok is really liking the longer videos, okay? The next thing you need, guys, basically is you want to give a freebie. You want to kind of dangle a little appetizer in front of people and say, hey, you know, click on my link and I'm going to give you a freebie. So if you click on my link, you are going to get a freebie and your first email from me. So I hope this clarifies, you know, how it is to learn a skill. But guys, this is truly legit. It is life-changing. If you are looking for time freedom, if you are looking to build a business online and work 2 to 3 hours a day to change your life, to pay off debt, to travel more, to retire early, whatever it is, I'm here to help you. I'm here to hold your hand, and I'm here to show you that it is legit. It is life-changing, and I would rather invest a few hours a day, whether that's 2-3 hours a day, learning high-income skills and learning how to earn money online, than to spend the next 20 years building somebody else's dream, having the life sucked out of me, being in a job that no longer fulfills me because it's just, I'm burnt out. It sucks all the energy out of me. Then this is for you. I hope this creates clarity, guys. Again, you know, one product, and you market that product here on social media, whether it's a digital product or an affiliate product, but this is legit. So good luck to you, and I hope you make a lot of money. Save this video and follow me if you're wanting to learn all about making money online.